Today we will be installing the DynoJet PowerVision number 4 onto my 2023 Harley Davidson Sportster 1250S. This is going to be a super easy install. All you'll need is a small tool to get the clip off of the diagnostic port and your key to take the seat off of the motorcycle. This will be specific to my Harley Davidson Sportster 1250S, but if you're looking to get a DynoJet tuner for your bike, just make sure you go to their website, type in your year, make, and model, and you can see all of the products that are available for your bike. And they come with a full instruction manual QR code. So these are the only 2 items that are inside of the box. This will be all that we need along with the DynoJet PowerVision 4 app. When you install that, you will need to make an account using your email. And then if you bought it and haven't opened it yet, or if it's something that's been sitting on the shelf, there might be a firmware update. So that is to be expected when you're opening the box for the first time. But this is the actual device. And here is the adapter. So for my motorcycle, all I need is my key in order to release the seat and get to the port to plug this in. Some older Harley Davidson models, or just any different model, it'll be under this side panel here. All right, I'm going to take the driver's seat off. There was a screw that I have already previously removed for the sake of the video, since I do have an aftermarket Predator seat. And I don't remember with the stock if you have that extra screw, but it should be a Torx T25 if you do. All right, and the port that we will be connecting the device to is this red one right here. That's where the small tool will come in handy. Check to make sure everything is well connected. And now I'm going to turn on the key switch ignition and hit scan. This should only take about 30 seconds for it to read. So there's that firmware update, since this is my first time using it. While it's loading, I'll go through some of the reasons why I decided to go with the DynoJet. It is one of the most trusted, most well-known, biggest companies that has been around for a very long time. Because it's so well known and been around a long time, you know they're going to produce a great product. And along with that, they make their products so easy to use that I actually wasn't as intimidated to purchase one, try to do it myself. And if I could do it, any one of you can do it. Another reason why I decided to go with the PowerVision 4 is the simplicity of it Bluetoothing from my phone. So if you don't want to lug around your computer or laptop, or if you don't have access to one, this is certainly a great option for you. I do have a PowerVision 3 that I use for the MT-07. I'll make another video for that one. And as you can see, we're almost halfway through the firmware. It's only been about 2 minutes since I started recording. I also like that it's optional for this to be plugged in while you ride. Of course, you can have live updates if you like that kind of data on your phone, but as soon as I'm done, I can also have the option to unplug it, bring it back inside, and everything will still save in your ECU. My apologies, I've had this backwards the whole time. Here are the light indicators showing that it is connected to the bike. And of course, if you have any questions about any DynoJet product or this one in particular, I do urge you to message them directly on their YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. I am not a motorcycle mechanic. I am just a do-it-yourself kind of rider. I look for easy things that I can help walk other people through if it's something that they've been debating getting. But any technical questions should definitely go to the manufacturer. If you have any questions about why I personally chose the product, how it's been for me, I'd happily answer them. All right, we are almost done with the firmware update, taking about 3 minutes so far. And what I've read through online threads and articles is this process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes total. In the essence of time, I will be speeding up some of the process because we all have different load times. Okay, the firmware has been successfully updated. It's about 322. I think we started at about 319, 318. Let's hit scan. We'll hit identify. It turned blue. I'm going to use my token for this ride. Every product comes with one token. If you have multiple motorcycles that a single product can work on, you can buy another token online on their website. I don't have to for this one in particular because it doesn't fit my MT-07, so I do have that PowerVision 3 for that motorcycle. Let's get into tunes. So you see the download buttons, the year, the family. Right now, I do have a slip-on exhaust and a stock intake. Those are the only 2 upgrades that I've done to this bike so far. I see an improved stock and a slip-on exhaust with an intake as well. So DGT is going to be the DynoJet tune, and if you plug a different product into your computer, you're going to see STK or something similar. That's going to be your stock file. So slip-on exhaust with stock intake, slip-on exhaust with stock intake. This is 2021 to 2023, this one as well. I do wish they had dates on it. I would like to get the newer one if possible, but let's go ahead and go with this one. Let's read the ECU. I'll save it in. So STK is that stock file we just talked about. Let me zoom it out. There it is. Let's flash the tune. Right now it's about 326, so let's hit flash and see how long this takes. of that under 1 minute of flashing, let's say 3 to 4 minutes of updating the firmware for the first time. Super easy install. Thanks for watching.